My work life in the future is a modern factory in the big city, where I can work as an automation engineer. The factory will be have advanced machine, robots, and a smart system that have improved production. My workspace will be clean and well equipped with computer and control panel. I hope they provide a good salary that matches my skill and experience. Besides, I want the company to offer health insurance, paid holiday, and often opportunities for professional training.